She stood up, turned to me, held my hand, I followed her on. She took me down in her room, so I could put away my guns. Put away my guns. Put away my guns. Put away my guns. I lie there, I close my eyes. Unknown words came out of her mouth. When daylight broke, I knew at once that my old self was gone forever. Behind my eyes, shapes of